Go.
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 Outside?
If you want.
Oh, come on.
You really have goggles?
Yeah.
But
Alright. Don't leave this time. Go. Run out there. Jump. Go.
Coco, come this way. I can't see you.
Oh my god, the tree knocked over. Oh!
What the?
I didn't even realize that. That's why I thought.
Oh my god, that's so crazy. I didn't realize that either. What?
No.
Okay, come inside. You're gonna die.
Hey, one more. Wait. Who dive into the snow? Where are you going?
Get back here, you guys. All right. They're outside still. The tree up front fell. Yeah. Snowed in. Better not have school tomorrow. Guys, come on! It's cold!
Okay.
If you have hypothermia, I got you. Stop, drop, and roll.
look at boots.
They're white snow boots. These were brown. Those are some issues.
Jack, did you see me running?
Yeah.
I look retarded.
I know why you ran at first. I followed his trail. He ran around the whole house. Well, like the whole backyard. And came around back to the other side.
You're crazy. Okay. Shovel snow outside.
I'm cold.
Johnny, do you have shoes on?
No.
Get that sock off, quick.
That's it.
I got you guys.
Did you wear your goggles?
Yeah.
Where they at? They outside?
They're right here.